My dear students, it's the latest previous year question asked in 24. It's a work for energy question. He's asking us to find out what is the loss in energy when a ball falls from a height h and rebounds to a height of h by 2. That means 50% of the height only it is able to reach. And you know, energy is nothing but mgh. Potential energy is directly proportional to height. If it is raising to only 50% of the previous height, that means how much energy is lost? 50% of the energy is lost. And before striking the ground, when a ball falls and touches the ground, before striking the ground, you all know the formula is 2gh, root of 2gh according to equations of motion in kinematics. So this is B option correct answer. That's it. My dear student, this is the latest previous year question asking. You know, gravitational force is a conservative force. In whatever the direction you go, it is same work will be done. How? I am going to show you. Let us see here now. So first thing is, if you take directly upwards, you write work done is nothing but potential energy, which is mgh. But when you go along the inclined plane, you should know that the force acting along the inclined plane is mg sine theta, and the displacement acting is L here. Therefore, work done in the second case here, that is, we can take, this is case 2. In the second case, work done is taken as force, which is taken as mg sine theta, and displacement is nothing but L here. But you should know one thing here. Sine theta is nothing but opposite side h and hypotenuse is L. That means L is equal to L sine theta. That means instead of this L sine theta, directly I can write mgh, because L sine theta is h. So in both the cases it is mgh. No need to solve, directly you can tell this one. My dear students, a bullet enters into a wooden plywood and it loses its kinetic energy because its velocity previously it was 100 and now it has become 40 meters per second. Then what is the loss in kinetic energy? For that, loss divided by original into 100. So what is the loss? Loss means initial minus final kinetic energy divided by initial kinetic energy, which is going to be like this. Now, from this, you can cancel out half m in the numerator and denominator. Finally, what is going to be the formula here? Into 100. So if you cancel out half m in all the directions, all the types of, you'll be getting u square minus v square by u square into 100. This is going to be your shortcut formula. This is going to be your shortcut formula. That's it. If you substitute, you'll be getting how much? Nearly 84% you'll be getting now. Can you check it out here? So which is 100 square minus 40 square divided by 100 square into 100. That's it. My dear students, this is the latest previous year question asked in 2024. Here, when a block is moved towards right a distance of 10 meters, when it's moved to a distance of 10 meters towards right here, then what is the work done by an applied force to move a body? You should remember one thing, that in such cases, applied force and friction force are going to be same. And the formula is mu mg. You all know about that. And he is asking us to find out the work done is nothing but applied force into displacement. And you all know applied force is nothing but mu mgs. This is a shortcut formula. You can just apply and get the answer in a super simple way. That's it. Here, 0.4. And your answer is going to be 4000 joules. That's it. Thank you. My dear students, how can you solve this problem asking 2024 latest JEE mains question? So here, a force is given and is asking us to find out the work done. You all know work done is nothing but F into dx. That's it. You have to substitute the values here. F is nothing but 3x square into this dx, okay? And plus again, integration of 2x into dx, again, minus 5, integration of 5x, 5 into dx here. And limits are given from 2 to 4 here. So 2 to 4 and 2 to 4. Here, you can write now 3. After integration, you'll get x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 means x power 3 by 3 plus, and limits are from 2 to 4. And this is going to be 2 into x square by 2. And limits are from 2 to, and this is minus 5x. X limits are from 2 to 4. Okay. So here 3 gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled. And what we're going to get, let us see here. Now work done is nothing but 4 cube minus 2 cube. This is minus 5 into 4 minus 2. 4 and minus 2. So if you solve this one, I think work done, you're getting 58 joules. That's it. My dear students, this is an inclined plane. A block is moved upwards. When a block is moved upwards, friction acts downwards. Then what is the work done by the friction? You all know work done is nothing but force into displacement. Here, what is the friction force? You all know friction is nothing but mu into n, and n is nothing but opposite direction, there is mg cos theta. So mu mg cos theta. Therefore, your formula is going to be mu mg cos theta into s. This is going to be a shortcut formula. If you substitute, you'll get the answer directly. Let us see here. And your final answer is going to be 5 joules when you calculate and substitute here. Therefore, 5 joules is your answer. Thank you very much. My dear students, what happens to momentum when kinetic energy becomes 36 times? First of all, what is the relation between kinetic energy and momentum? Kinetic energy, you know, is P square by 2m. That means P is directly proportional to root K. So P2 by P1 is nothing but root of K2 by K1. So therefore, P2 by P1 is nothing but, it becomes 36 times, means 36 times of the previous kinetic energy, that is K1. How much? P2 is nothing but, this is root 36 is nothing but 6 times of P1. Okay. So P2 becomes 6 times of the previous momentum. What does it mean actually? Here 6 times means P2 is equal to P1 plus 5 times of P1. Okay. Previously it was P1. Now it is becoming 5 times extra is nothing but 500% is going to be your answer. That's it. My dear students, this is a previous year question asked in JEE Mains 2024. A particle blast breaks into 2 pieces. These 2 pieces moves in the opposite direction with velocities Vb and Va, having masses Ma and Mb. Then in such cases, conservation of momentum takes place. That means Ma Va is equal to Mb Vb. What I am going to do here, I can write now Mb by Ma is equal to Va by Vb. This is the concept which we get from conservation of momentum. But he's asking us to find out the ratio of their kinetic energies Kb by Ka. And kinetic energy formula, you know, it's a general formula. Half of gets cancels. Mb by Ma as Va by Vb. I'll substitute these values here now. Therefore, Kb by Ka is equal to Mb means I'll take Va by V. Already here, Vb square by Va square is left here. So Vb gets cancelled, Va gets cancelled. What is left finally? So Vb by Va is left. So your answer is going to be B option. So simple it is. My dear friends, we can solve this problem by using work energy theorem. You can just see what is the value of velocity here. You all know that velocity is nothing but alpha root x given in the problem. And it is said that x is 0 and x is d here. That means initially it is at 0 and next it goes to d here. Then what happens to initial velocity? That means v1 is going to be alpha root 0 which is equal to 0. Final velocity is alpha root d. That's it. So as initial velocity is 0, this part is getting cancelled here. Now the next part is going to be work done is equal to half m v square. It is alpha root d, alpha root d whole square. That's it. So w is equal to m alpha square d divided by 2. So therefore D option is going to be your answer. That's it.